Alright, New Year's Eve day, Clearwater Beach. A few people rolling in here. There's some kind of bowl game day going on, but the targets are getting kind of slim, so I had an idea. I.D.E.A. I dig everything. Alright. We'll see how that works out. The ones, the twos, 5, 6, 7s, 8s. Hopefully I get some high tones. Anyway, let's get on out there. First target is the 12-13, but it's kind of weird. Having trouble finding it. The center. Now it's ringing up a 19. Probably a bottle cap. Maybe it's here. We don't know. It's in here somewhere. Yeah, it's a bottle cap. Pretty crusty. Got my small scoop today because I plan on doing a lot of digging. Easier on the shoulder. Crusty Corona, but it's in the pouch. Probably gonna get rained out. Nice high tone. 29 about. Only a couple down. Alright, well, it's in this scoop. Keep dropping it. Alright, let's see what's in this little scoop. Probably should have brought my bigger one, but I was hunting a lot the other day, like 5 hours. Hey, it's a quarter. Alright. 1/85 of my parking fee. Well, it's probably a recent drop. Somebody was sitting in this big old hole here. Alright, a quarter. Cool. Pier 60. I'm about right on the edge of the wet and the dry sand. And could be a pull tab or something, but look at that. Alright, that's why you dig them, people. That's why you dig them. I don't think there's any stones, but that is a cute little silver ring. I can just tell by looking at it. That's why you dig them. I already dug a couple Coronas I didn't show you. I didn't want you to know my secret. Every 2 Corona bottle caps, there's a ring. Yeah. I.D.E.A. I dig everything. Alright, up to keeper, man. Loud 23, 24, 22. Somewhere in here's. Oop, I'm feeling it. Probably a can. I hit something pretty hard. I don't know. Yeah. Corona. Alright, we'll go bury that. We'll go dump that in the trash. Loud 28, 29, 30, 27. Oop. Might have it in the first scoopage. That'd be handy. Wet sand though, it's a little heavy. Yeah, it looks like a quarter. Probably recent. Yeah, just a quarter. Well, it's a keeper. It's a keeper. Surfer dudes. Skimboard specialists. 9, 10, 11, 12. Only a few down, so I'll try to be careful. It's probably a pull tab, but you never know. Somewhere over here. It's over in here somewhere. Not really seeing it. Seeing this little bunch. Sounded good. Had a little variety to it. I'm seeing something in there. Nope. Well, interesting. I don't see anything, but... oh, there it is. Well, that little sucker, that little piece of metal had a great tone. Wow. 11, 12 all day long. Yep. Little piece of metal. This thing picks up everything. Equinox 600. By Minelab. Alright. Up through the ground came a bubbling crude. I don't know what the heck this is. Probably a can. Or, we don't know. Car. Oh, it's a car. Alright, let's not break it. Let's be nice to it. Cool. Appears to be a little car towing a motorcycle, man. Sweet. I'll give that to a kid if I can find one, but now it's raining. It's getting a little sketchy out here. A little bit rainy. 24, 25, a few down. Oh, might be a can. Maybe not. Oh, there's a coin right there. There's one of them. Alright, that's a dime. But there's something else down here. Rest of the change, maybe? We don't know. Well, it's in the scoop. Thought it was. Maybe I just made it go deeper. That's weird because I heard a tone. Somewhere in here. Oh. Get closer. Alright, after quite a few scoops, see what we got here. Sounds coinage. Nope, it's not a coin. Well, yeah, no it isn't. Yeah, what is it? Yeah, it is. It's another dime. All that seaweed stuff in there got me kind of mixed up. Alright, couple of dimes. Fill this in. 21, 22. Not too far down. It's in the pile. Probably a penny. I'm not hitting a 22 though. Just missing it. Huh. Well, it seems like it's right here, but can't tell. That was it. Pretty loud still. I think I saw it. Let's see what we got here. Bottle capish, maybe? Oh, I'm still missing it. Crazy. Huh. Anytime now. That is crazy. Oh, there's a penny right there. Wow, all that for a penny I was missing. Crazy. I guess I should pinpoint more. Figured I'd sweep it. Alright. I'm on beach 2. And the sand's wet, so, you know, I figured that'd be the best thing. Alright, let's head up there. A little further up. Nice high tone about right here. Pretty deep. Maybe not. And I see it. It's quarter. Well, it's a steady rain, so most of the people are not here. Just a few people. Okay, here's the wrap up. Rainy day, New Year's Eve day, Clearwater Beach, and of course there's a lot of stuff here I dug that wasn't on camera, but I tried to show you a lot of the good stuff on camera. Coins. The coolest thing was the little ring with 3 little flowers. You know, it's nice. Not real. I mean, it's plated with something over copper probably, but no marks. The little car with the motorcycle. That was a nice ring up. A lot of bottle caps, coins, little pieces, couple little things I didn't show. This is a game cartridge. I looked up the serial number on the back. I think it says NTR 005. It's a Lego Rock Band. That's what they tell me on online Googling. But I had the idea today that I.D.E.A, I dig everything. All right. I do that anytime, all the time anyway, no matter what, with my Equinox 600, and I have a lot of fun. Wintertime there with, 5 detectorists a day hitting Clearwater Beach. You're not going to find a lot, but I thought I did pretty good. I do up and downs. I zigzag all over the place, and I dig up every little thing. And that's about it for this wrap-up. Thanks for watching. I had a lot of fun, and I hope you had a little bit of fun watching it. Thanks.